Pangarap namin mag-adopt ng boy.
Kaya nga ako pumunta dito, naramdaman ko sa palo. Baby, brother forever, ever.
Hi everyone. For the past 2 days have been the craziest 2 days of our lives. Kasi kahapon niya pa kiniklaim na siya ay, guess what? Pregnant. Is she pregnant? What do you think, guys? Look at her tummy and mine. I think I'm the one who's pregnant, not her. She wants us to do pregnancy test here. Where are we? We're in the church. I'll try to convince her not to do PT yet and wait for the kids to be with us before we do it. Yeah.
We're gonna wait for my mom's baby brother.
How about you? What can you say? You want baby brother?
No!
Mukhang excited siya magkaroon ng baby brother. So yan, nasa CR na si Mami ngayon kasama si Zia para gamitin yung tawag doon, PT.
Kabado na! Kabado na si Kuya Bryce!
Actually, mixed emotions. Kasi hindi naman to first time ni Omni akalain niya na buntis siya. Dati inakala niya rin, tapos paasa lang. So hindi ko alam. But
so,
anyway.
hindi ka na lang umaasa, gano'n. Hindi ka na nag-expect para hindi masakit. Pero mali, paano kung positive?
Pag positive, and then, ano?
Saya!
Family vlog pa more?
Oh my God!
Sana boy, di ba? Tingnan natin kung anong mangyayari. Ano na pong lagay dyan ng panahon? Zella, I'm here.
Zella, dali. So, this is it. Okay, ready?
Yes!
3, 2, 1. Yan na, yan na, yan na. Ilang lines kaya, mga friends?
Tatlong lines. Ayan, ano kaya? Walaan nyo.
Ilang lines siya?
Isa, dalawa, o tatlo? Oh my goodness!
What? Two!
Okay, so, how many lines did you say? 2
Two!
lines? That means,
We
meron ka ng...
baby brother!
Don't forget the hashtag.
Hindi ko alam. I don't know what to feel kasi...
Teka, tatapo ko lang.
Kasi...
Baby brother! We have a baby brother forever, ever!
Sabi ko kanina, hindi pa yung convince kasi nga. First try. So this time, it's second try. Hindi ko talaga alam ang mararamdaman ko. Sobra, hindi ko talaga alam. But hopefully, talagang ito ay final na. Sana boy na talaga. May baby
Sabi ko
na.
sa'yo eh, hindi ako busog
Baby.
lang eh.
I hope you're a boy.
But if not, stress na rin.
Wala pa siyang pakialam sa mga nangyari. What?
Ano ipapangalan natin dito, Daddy?
Pangalan agad? Just like that.
Baninoy!
Baninoy!
Sabi ko na ipansin ko agad kanina pagdating ko, ate, parang nananaba ka. Tapos alam ko na. Gana. Kasi kaya nga ako pumunta dito, naramdaman ko sa palo. Ganong level.
Grabe, ang dami nangyayari talaga. Sobrang sunod-sunod.
Ang daming blessings.
Ang dami.
Nakakain na po ba kayo? Mandi-treat si Ninang. Tara, let's celebrate!
Napos-celebrate tuloy tayo.
Yes,
Sa dami ng...
ko dito
Sa dami ng mga ganap.
Kasi lagi timing. Lahat ng bagay right time.
What's that? Candies. I'm just so proud of my Zia. Kanina.
Mommy don't have money, so I trust my mom and dad.
Oh! Just to explain further. Wala kami dalang pera. Bumaba kami ng bahay. And she wants to get this. Ayan. Tapos sabi namin sa kanya, kami and daddy don't have money here with us.
Because we have
and she said, okay, pag ibang kids, grabe, magwawala na yun. But siya, iba talaga. That's why I'm so proud of my daughter. And just like that, tapos na kaming kumain. Busog na naman. Thank you, Mayora, for the treat. Thank you for the treat.
Walang-wala yan sa mga ginagawa niyo for me. Dapat araw-araw yan.
Ano yata siya?
Ayan na. As usual, mag-aangkas na naman siya. O, diba? Kaya pa kasi ba nagkasabing social climber sa Baninay, po nag-aangkas po siya, just so you know. Bye, Baning. Bye, Baning. And are you happy, Sia? Where? I can see you. How about you, baby? Are you happy, baby? Yes! So, this weekend, magpapa-check up na kami. Siyempre, agad-agad dapat nalaman namin kung ilang months na or ilang weeks na. Ang galing lang kasi wala pa kami activity this weekend. And ito na nga, meron na. So guys, if you're happy for us, like this video and comment down below. Kapag boy, ano kaya magandang pangalan? Si Sia kasi is Zacharia. Si Zella is Zafriela. Yung meaning ng Zacharia is like remembered by God. Yung Zafriela naman is like a fulfillment of a promise or a
fulfillment of a promise.
Ayun.
Sana Zayden.
Yeah. Yes, maganda Zayden. Gusto namin pag naging kami ng baby namin is yung meaningful kasi it's a sort of prophecy. Kumbaga kung ano yung meaning ng name niya, magiging ganun siya. And nakakatuwa lang kasi talaga every time nagkaka-baby kami, iba't ibang stage ng life namin yun. Kay Zia, we were businessmen that time. Wait lang, mas elevator tayo, so patahimik lang muna. So, going back sa kwento kanina, when we first had Zia, may business kami. Tapos, bumalik kami sa corporate world. Doon naman kami nagkaroon ng Zafriela or si Zella. Ngayon naman, na-vloggers na kami. Nagkaroon naman kami ng ito. Hindi pa namin alam kung anong magiging pangalan niya. It doesn't have to be Z. Basta yung meaning niya is maganda talaga. So, inside our house now. So, right now, what you're seeing is the new Clingy Farm. Ito, i-reveal namin. We wanted na yung third baby namin is an adopted one. Pangarap namin mag-adopt ng boy. Kasi feeling namin, maraming kabataan yung nag-suffer because walang mga tatay na tumatayo for them. And so, sabi namin, para makatulong kami, makabawas sa isa sa mga kids na yon, is mag-ampun kami. But of course, aside from that, ang sarap na meron kang taong pagkapasahan ng love na hindi mo kadugo. Kapag anak mo talaga, kapag dugo mo, di ba? Effortless yun eh, mamahalin mo talaga, di ba? Pero, ibang usapan kung hindi mo kadugo, kung aampunin mo lang. But yun, since we're gonna have our own, this is exciting. But let's see, we're not putting aside the idea of adoption. Si Zia, ready naman na siya for adopted brother before pa. But yun, hindi na umabot doon. Meron na kaming sarili. Yeah. Hello baby, I love you. Ngayon pa lang, mamahalin namin siya ng sobra. And we're excited for the Clingy Farm. Ayan, ito na ito ang emosyon ko. I think ito na ito ang emosyon ko. Kasi kanina medyo ano pa, parang hati-hati pa. Hindi ko pa alam. Oo. Ngayon, I'm excited for the Clingy Farm. At dahil dyan, magkakaroon na tayo ng another Clingy baby. At another padede. Boy, sana. Para sa mga loyal subscribers namin na tagal lagi nanonood, isip na kayo ng pangalan ninyo. Kasi we would like to treat you as our family. Kung pwede nga, The Clingy Farm din tawag namin sa inyo. Pwede, di ba? Pero kayo, you suggest to us, ano kayang name ninyo kung may mga Daso Fam, yan. Pwede naman, sabi nila, The Clingy Fans. Okay na. Kaya ayoko kasi nung masyadong fans na, yung fans talaga, parang, gusto namin family talaga. Yung mga kausap namin kayo, not just as fans. Although we appreciate you, especially mga nagsasabi talaga ng fans na namin sila, no? So yun, again, comment down below, isip kayo, ano kayong magandang pangalan ng family natin. Because this is gonna be a more exciting year for us, guys! Ayan na, masaya na ako kasi ito na talaga yung emotion ko. At siya, don't bugbog daddy. Wag anak, yung baby ni daddy sa tummy. Joke lang. So yun guys, thank you. We're so glad to share this good news with you. Yes, we're having a baby. And of course, aside from this baby, you are one of those who are making this journey more exciting for us. And we are excited to journey with you. Thank you for watching this. Again, please like our video. Also, follow us on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook, Omni and Bryce. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And good night! Bye-bye!
And immediately, I check kagad kung buntis ba ako o hindi. So, this is what I found out and Bryson doesn't know yet. So, the Clingy Fam plus one. And I don't wanna tell him yet kasi gusto kong makapture yung reaction niya in a video bago ko sabihin.
Na